I'm joined once again by trial attorney Byron Brown and criminal defense attorney Joseph Lowe. Joseph, let me start with you. Two things there. One, that her memory is not reliable. And two, she has some bias, or maybe she's influenced by her father, who she loves so much and wants to see out of prison one day. Your thoughts?
My thoughts are this. If you're going to go with the argument that your memory degrades, which is generally acceptable, but that she's easily influenced, as children often are, then why wouldn't you put an expert on the stand to teach the jury about that as to why and how, and show us how that's actually done, and then give us concrete examples in history that we're all familiar with that allows us to experience that, in fact, is what happens, especially when it comes to investigative powers or the government. You can't just make that argument and close it and expect it to have any weight, because that means you're asking the jury to take your word for it. These are things that just don't make sense to me. However, when it comes to the little girl's testimony, I have to admit I had a little trouble with it, and here's why. She says she remembers stepmother making a call to the pizza person 7 years ago, but can't remember anything else about that day. Man, come on. Why did she remember that? And she's not going to have an answer to it. And again, this is why you need to have a very detailed cross examination.
Well, we also heard from the defense talk about how Erica is a scapegoat for Chad. That was a big theme here, that Chad, his mother, GC, if you believe this argument, are all working together to get him out of prison, put Erica in prison, to see if this works. So let's hear more of where the defense was going with that.